Hi, in today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to change your payments method on Amazon affiliates. Of course, first of all, you'd like to go and download, or sorry, not download, open the browser that you're going to use to follow the tutorial steps. So for me, if you noticed, I'm using the Brave browser, but for you, of course, you can use other browsers working for you. It could be, as an example, Google Chrome, Opera, I don't know, maybe Firefox, Brave like me, Safari if you're using a Mac, or even Internet Explorer if it's working for you, right? So anyway, let's say as an example, you already opened the browser you're gonna use. All you need to do is just go and type Amazon affiliate. So let's just go and type that. Open the first link, of course, or the first website, and that will actually be your home or your main screen. Of course, before start using the application, you'd like to sign up if you don't have an account. If you do have an account, you'd like to sign in, and that will actually be your real home screen. So from here, I'm just going to click at my payments information right here. And from that, I'm just going to click at change payments method. So of course from here I would like to select the country is actually selected by default, and of course the payments method you can select it by a gift card, by a check. So select whatever you want. You would like to select the minimum payments, sorry, not select, because this is the minimum payments for gift card and this is the minimum payments per check. Of course you can even change it by check. Of course your check will be sent to the contact's address. All you need to do from here is just to save your changes. If you choose by check, or even if you choose by gift card, $10 is fixed, you cannot change it. As you can see, your Amazon gift certificate certificate will be sent to your primary email address. And as I said, all if you finish, just click at save changes and you will be good to go. So that will be actually for this tutorial. I hope you like it. Thank you guys for watching, and goodbye.